Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to follow live locations on WhatsApp. You might be wondering, why would I need to follow someone's live location? Imagine you are meeting a friend in a crowded place and you both are trying to find each other. Following their live location ensures you will meet up without the hassle. So first of all, open WhatsApp on your device. Open the chat of the person who sent you the live location. Click on View Live Location. Their location will open and you can track them easily. Click on their profile and zoom in to see the exact location. Areas nearby them will be shown so you can follow them to reach there. Click on the info button near the name and select an action. There are different options like info, get directions, voice call, video call, and send message. Click on get directions, then choose an application such as Maps or Google Maps or Waze. Tap Google Maps and then the app will open. Here is the exact location with a time duration in which you will reach the destination. The map will show you the fastest route due to traffic conditions. Click on Start. Welcome to Google Navigation. Click on OK to continue. How navigation data makes maps better. Tap on Dismiss. Google Assistant will guide you and tell you when you have arrived. You can also see the latest locations nearby on Maps. When someone is navigating through an unfamiliar location, sharing a live location helps others guide them, ensuring they reach their destination smoothly. That is how you can follow live locations on WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.